Today, we are taking you on a journey from having zero infrastructure to a fully functioning cloud server. Specifically, we are going to deploy a free Ubuntu virtual machine using Amazon Web Services. In the Amazon ecosystem, they use the term EC2 instance. Whenever you hear that phrase, know that it simply means a virtual machine. By spinning up this single instance, you are tapping into the exact same infrastructure used by the world's largest tech platforms. You have direct control over the same engine. Before we build, there is only one prerequisite. You need an active AWS account. During sign-up, Amazon does ask for a credit or debit card to process a tiny temporary charge. This is a standard identity check to prove you are a real person, but you will not be charged for the virtual machine we are building today. Understanding how to stay within the strict boundaries of the AWS free tier is a vital operational skill. It allows developers to experiment, even break things, and actively learn without worrying about an unexpected bill. Step 1. Log into the AWS console, search for the EC2 service, and click the prominent Launch Instance button to initiate the build. Start by giving your server a simple name so you can identify it easily in your dashboard. Let's type Test in the name field. Next, scroll to the Operating System selection menu. We will choose Ubuntu as our software foundation. Look closely beneath the Ubuntu logo and confirm you see the free tier eligible tag. Skipping this verification step is why beginners accidentally incur charges. Always check for the tag. Scroll down to the instance type section. Leave it exactly on the default setting called T2.micro. This chart breaks down capacity. The T2.micro provides 1 CPU and 1 GB of memory, contrasting with massive multi-core enterprise instances. Visually confirm the T2.micro option has its free tier eligible tag. This micro size is perfectly calibrated for learning. Selecting an instance type is always a calculated exercise. You are weighing the exact computing power your project needs against the financial budget you have to spend. Now we reach the key pair section. This is the single most critical security configuration of your build. Instead of a password someone could easily guess, AWS uses a key pair. It requires a unique cryptographic file to unlock the machine. Give your key a simple name, leave the settings on default RSA and .pem format, and click Create Key Pair. When that .pem file downloads to your computer, you must save it somewhere secure. If you lose this file, you are permanently locked out of your own server. Moving to the cloud shifts the burden of security directly onto your shoulders. Protecting this single file is your first true task as a system administrator. Moving down, you will see complex sections for network settings and security groups. Scroll right past them to avoid decision paralysis. The default settings are fine. All that is left is the final action. Click the orange Launch Instance button to finalize your server request. Navigate back to your main EC2 instances dashboard. Look for your new server named Test and watch the status column. It will start as pending, and within a minute or two, it will shift to running. Once that indicator turns green, you are live. You have successfully deployed real physical infrastructure deep inside an Amazon facility. Launching a server manually provides the visibility you need to eventually automate this workflow. This running instance is the target for the scripts and deployments you'll learn to build next. Now that it's running, we need to access it. In the next video, we will take that key pair file you safely stored and use it to log directly into your new machine.